I am so excited today because I'm in the car on the way to the mall. I'm gonna go check out the Nordstrom anniversary sale in person. I wasn't going to go in person, but my husband is here. He was out of town for a couple of days. He's back. He's gonna watch the baby for me so I can go by myself. And I just really want to see what's available in stores. I feel like online everything is selling out so stinking fast, and a lot of people are upset about that. So I wanted to go in stores to see what's available. I know that at one point in time the inventories crossed, so if it was sold out online, it was also sold out in stores. I don't know if that's still the case or not, but I'm just excited to go. I haven't been to the mall since like January. Okay, change of scenery, guys. My tire pressure in my car was like dangerously low, so I had to go back, swap out cars. I'm in my husband's car now, so let's do this again. We're here, and before I go in, I have to wear a mask when I'm in there because, you know, COVID, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to talk. So I wanted to tell you a couple of things in here before I go in the store. So the first thing is this sale opens up to the public on August 19th. So I'm definitely going to get this video up before August 19th. If you are not a Nordstrom's credit card holder, you have to wait until then to shop the sale. If you are a Nordstrom's card holder, then you are free to start shopping now. If you've never heard of the Nordstrom anniversary sale before, it is basically an annual thing. It's a big deal. They put out all of their new fall inventory at a discounted price, and then after the sale, the prices just go up. A lot of the stuff online is sold out. Women's clothing, the Barefoot Dreams leopard cardigan I want so bad. I am gonna look to see if they have it here. I'm not gonna hold my breath because I doubt they're gonna have it. I just basically want to see what's in store. I don't really plan on buying anything, but maybe. Okay guys, so I'm going to walk you through what I saw as I was going through the store. So as you can see, as soon as you open the door, all the anniversary sale items are kind of roped off with this yellow rope. That doesn't prevent non-card holders from viewing the items or even touching the items, but I think it's kind of a preventative measure. I skipped the men's section because I wasn't shopping for any men's clothing or items like that. So the first thing I looked at was baby stuff. And as you can see, they had a lot of baby stuff still in stock. A lot of the strollers, a lot of the car seats. Their baby clothing section was really tiny. It was just one little kiosk, but they did seem to have pretty good inventory. As far as baby boy clothes go, they had a lot of stuff that was sold out online. I was shocked to see this camo sweatshirt from Tucker and Tate. They didn't have Lincoln size, unfortunately, so I didn't buy it, but they had it in stock, which was really exciting. I also noticed they did not have the camo North Face jacket in stock, which is sold out online, but they had a lot of other rain jackets and North Face jackets. Then I made my way over to the toddler section, and they had so many things that were sold out online. I was so excited to see this Tucker and Tate camo sweatshirt. They had a 2T, which is the size I've been shopping for, so I definitely swooped that up. Also had quite a bit of these solid Tucker and Tate long sleeve t-shirts. These are all sold out online, but they had a pretty good stock in store, so I bought one of those also. They also had quite a few of the Tucker and Tate short sleeve solid t-shirts. These are also sold out online. Also, these little packs of camo socks were sold out online, and as you can see, they had plenty of them in stock. They had quite a few baby shoes in stock. I didn't see the Sekai Run camo shoes, but all the rest they had. These black Velcro Adidas are actually sold out online, and they had those in store still. Their beauty section was quite stocked, and most of this stuff is still available online as well. The one thing I was looking for was the Dry Bar shampoo, and they did not have that in stock in store, but they had pretty much everything else. I'm pretty sure the Revitalash is sold out online as well, but they did have that in store, and they also had the other brand of lash serum as well in stock. I was really impressed by the Ysl Lip Duo. That nude lipstick was so pretty. I held back from buying it, but I highly recommend it. They only had one of the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip sets in stock. Definitely recommend that if you're looking for a good lipstick color. They had a few of the eye set left, but not many. They had a lot of their jewelry still in stock. My eye went directly to these necklaces right here, the little pendant necklace. These didn't catch my eye online, but in store they are so pretty, just a cute little delicate necklace. I ended up picking out the rose gold one and I bought it for myself. I remember seeing these bracelets online and they didn't look like anything special, but in store they're actually really pretty. Then I headed over to the women's shoes, and you guys, they had the unicorn. I saw the display for these leopard Adidas and they actually had my size in stock. These have been sold out online since like day 2 of the sale. I was so excited. I bought a pair for me and I bought a pair for my best friend. We're both so excited. So if you really want these shoes, check your store. They might have them there. I purchased these Blondeau booties a couple years ago in the sale and they've held up really well. Definitely a good bootie if you're looking for something that's waterproof and really sturdy. The home goods section at my store is kind of tiny. I think they just throw it together for the sale, to be honest, but they did have a few things. I was really curious if they had any of the Barefoot Dreams blankets, and they did have a couple, but not the plaid one that I was hoping for, but their selection was pretty decent still. They had a lot of the UGG blankets that I told you guys about in my recommendations videos. This is a really good blanket if you want something thick and cozy. The last section I went to was women's clothing, and they did have quite a few pieces still in stock, way more than I thought they would. They had lots of sweaters, lots of cardigans. This BP sweater I know is a big one online. They had that one still in store. They were set up a little weird where some stuff was outside of the yellow rope and some stuff was inside of the yellow rope. If you go, stuff is usually grouped by brand, so just look for the brand that you like and you'll probably find what you're looking for. This Caslon striped cardigan is sold out online, but they did still have it in store. I think this was a size large and it was the only one, but it was still available. I also know a lot of the Madwell stuff is sold out online. They did have quite a selection still available. Another striped cardigan. This one was really soft, softer than the Caslon one. They had so many Barefoot Dreams cardigans, you guys. So many, every style, every color, every size. But they did not have the leopard cardigan. Unfortunately, they had every single one except for the leopard one. Lots of BP inventory in store, lots of PP jackets. These 2 jackets here are BP. They had lots of pajamas available, again with the BP, these BP pajama shorts. They did not have the black ones, the solid black ones, so I'm glad I ended up snagging those online, but they had a ton, every size, every color. They also had tons of workout gear. This sports bra caught my eye, but they didn't have my size in store, but they had a lot of stuff. This Rails t-shirt caught my eye on the way out. I wanted it so bad, but they didn't have my size. Look at how cute it is. They had quite a few of these Gibson tunics. They didn't have the leopard one. Mine got canceled online. These Caslon t-shirts are pretty much sold out online, but as you can see, they had a huge variety of them in store. Also, these halogen long sleeve layering t-shirts, they also had quite a few of those in store. The pink one really caught my eye. Okay guys, So if you're frustrated with things being sold out online, I highly recommend going in stores. I know it's with the COVID and the masks and all that stuff, but they had so many things in store that are sold out online. They did not have the leopard cardigan, which I didn't expect they would have, but the Adidas leopard shoes they had, I got them in my size and my best friend's size. They had a lot of the baby stuff that was sold out, so a lot of the camo sweatshirts by Tucker and Tate, a lot of the long sleeve plain shirts by Tucker and Tate. They had all of those in stock. Also keep an eye out online, because one of the ladies in here did tell me that they are going to do a restock before the public launch. I don't know if that's accurate or where she got her information. She works here, so maybe they told them that, but she said they will do a restock in store and online on the 19th for the public sale. So I know I'm going to be online right at 9:30 to like refresh and look for that cardigan. But yeah, so that's it. If you want to see the items that I got, then stay tuned, because I'm going to be filming a haul once I get my online order, and I'll just do it all in one big bulk haul. Also, one of the workers was suggesting, it's kind of funny that they suggested this, but they did. So I was looking at the clothing. I was like, wow, you guys have a lot of the stuff that I ordered online. He was like, honestly, if you really want them, I would buy them now and then return the ones you get online. Because what's happening is, so they have like their online warehouse inventory, but when that stuff runs out, they actually pull from the stores. So if you ordered and your order says like processing or whatever it says before it says shipped, so if it says like pending or processing or finding your items or whatever, that means they're pulling from the stores. And he said it's very likely that they're not going to be able to find the item because somebody else buys it or whatever, and then your item gets canceled. So if it's something that you really, really want and you happen to go in store and you see it and your items haven't shipped from online purchase yet, he suggested buy it and then return the ones you get online. He said it, not me. So, but I didn't do that, because if I don't get the ones for my online purchase, it's not going to kill me. So yeah, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for a haul. Happy shopping. Any of the items that I showed while I was browsing the store, I'm going to link in my description box down below for you. So if they're available online still, because some of the stuff's really cute. So anyways, okay, I am done. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.